In the game of life, it is very important to ensure that you have the right posture, the right attitude, the right connection to your space, inside and outside, so that you can have the poise, you can have the focus to be as successful as you can in whatever game of life that you're playing. Now, if you think about it, a basketball player, before he shoots a foul shot, he gets himself in a certain position. He gets himself in a certain mindset. He lines himself up. He doesn't take a shot until he's poised, he's set, and lines himself up. A golfer does the same thing, the way that he sets himself. A football player does the same thing on when they're getting ready in order to be able to make a pass or to do a block. Whatever we're doing in life, it takes a certain body posture, a certain attitude, a certain intention. And what I want you to do is learn something that's so powerful so that you can coach yourself at any time to be successful in every communication, in every interaction, in any business, or in any family situation. So I have invited a couple of wonderful people to join us in order to show you this very simple, fast process that you can ensure a much greater success in anything you do, wherever you are, whenever you're doing it. Are you ready? I invite Ariel and Mark to join us. Welcome, gentlemen. Nice to have you here. I'm going to show you something very simple to help you in any communication, in any action that you take in life, whether with yourself, that you're doing something, or with other people. If you can use this, you can coach yourself. And as you know, coaches are very important to be able to make sure that you're aligned and doing your best. You might be doing good. I want to help you to do better. And it's something called C.O.A.C.H, C-O-A-C-H. It's a way of getting ourselves into the proper mindset and the proper physiology to be successful internally and externally. So the first thing I'd like you to do is stand there and close your eyes and allow yourself to put yourself in whatever position. You might want to slightly move your feet together. You might want to stand up a little straighter. I want you to center yourself. Get a sense of being centered. Feeling yourself steady, connected, comfortable in the body. The next step is to be open. So now as you stand there centered, feel yourself open and take a nice opening breath. Feel your chest open. Feel the space around you open. Feel centered, be opened, feel the breath fully and completely. And now we go, because I can see you're there, into step 3, which is A, awareness. Be aware to now how you're feeling inside, how you feel in the space around you. Centered, opened, and aware. And when you feel centered, open, and aware, just gently nod your head so I know. Yes, good. You're now getting into that position. Give yourself a little tension in your body to feel contained, to really feel the body. Add a little intensity, muscles in the arms, the legs, and just feel yourself there. If you want to open your eye to be able to just orient yourself, that's great too. You can do this internally, you can do this externally. Centered, open, aware, contained. And you can feel that containment, that sense of your body, that sense of being connected to the earth, to all the limbs of your body. Great, you have that, don't you? I can see that in both of you, good. And now the final step is to be heart directed. Imagine now on your heart opening. And your intention is to extend from your heart the love that you have for life, the appreciation that you have for another person, the appreciation you have for yourself. So now you're centered, open, aware, contained, and heart-directed. Now you're ready to go into action, because now your action is going to come from the strongest, most solid and powerful place that it can come, where the core strength of the body and the power of the love of the heart and the clarity and vision of the mind are all in alignment. Can you feel that? Good, good. And now you go into action. You did great. Thank you very much. This is what you do before you take any action. What I did with them, you can do this in 20 seconds. We went through it slowly. So understand, before you take action, before you walk in for the job interview, before you sit down with your significant other, before you do anything, ask yourself, am I centered? Am I open? Am I aware? Am I contained? Am I heart-directed? And if you are, you've now put yourself in the best position so that if you're going to drive, putt, pass, catch, hit, or just have fun with someone else, you'll be in the position to do it.